Hey there, intrepid explorers! Welcome to another exciting episode of Scrap Dog Media. This is Mariter from Scrap Dog Media, your girl on the ground, ready to bring you the most immersive travel experiences. Today we're setting our sights on the breathtaking landscapes and vibrant culture of northern Luzon, Philippines. From its lush green hills to its rich cultural tapestry, northern Luzon is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. Buckle up because we're about to embark on a sensory adventure you won't soon forget. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a curious newbie, there's something here for everyone. But first, I have a favor to ask. Please click that subscribe button now. We are working very hard to bring you the best quality videos possible, so click it now and ring the bell so you will be informed of the next videos to come. We are very grateful to have you in our family here. Your subscription means the world to us. Our destination, the city of pines, Baguio City. Known for its cool climate and scenic views, Baguio is a haven for those looking to escape the tropical heat. Nestled high in the Cordillera mountain range, Baguio offers a refreshing retreat with its cool mountain air and misty landscapes. It's a place where nature and culture blend seamlessly. Think cool mountain air, lush pine forests, and a unique blend of indigenous traditions and Spanish colonial influences. The city is a melting pot of history and modernity, where every corner tells a story. Trust me, this city is like nowhere else you've ever been. From its iconic landmarks to its hidden gems, Baguio has something to offer for every type of traveler. So, what are we waiting for? Let's dive into the heart of Baguio and uncover the hidden gems that await. From the bustling markets to the serene parks, from the vibrant festivals to the quiet retreats. Baguio is a city that promises adventure and discovery at every turn. Join me as we explore its winding streets, meet its friendly locals, and experience the magic that makes Baguio a must-visit destination. Whether you're here for the food, the culture, or the natural beauty, Baguio beckons with open arms. Let's get started on this unforgettable journey together. Our first stop is a sight to behold, the majestic Chinese temple of Baguio. It is also called Bell Church and is a Taoist temple. This temple stands as a beacon of cultural heritage and spiritual solace, drawing visitors from all walks of life. As you approach, the vibrant red and gold colors of the entrance immediately capture your attention, inviting you to explore further. As you climb the grand staircase guarded by fierce dragon statues, you are greeted by an aura of reverence and mystique. These dragons, symbols of power and protection, seem to watch over every visitor, ensuring that only those with pure intentions proceed. You can almost feel the weight of history and spirituality with each step. The temple is not just a place of worship, but a living museum, showcasing centuries-old traditions and beliefs. The historical carvings and statues tell stories of ancient times, offering a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Chinese culture. The temple, with its intricate carvings and vibrant colors, is a testament to the city's Chinese heritage. Every corner of the temple is adorned with detailed artwork, from the roof's ornate designs to the walls' elaborate murals. The architecture itself is a marvel, blending traditional Chinese elements with local influences. Inside, the air is thick with the smell of incense. The fragrant smoke curls upwards, creating a mystical atmosphere that envelops you as soon as you step inside. The scent of incense is believed to purify the space, making it a sacred environment for prayer and reflection. Locals and tourists alike come here to pay their respects, whisper prayers, and seek blessings. The temple serves as a communal space where people from different backgrounds come together in search of peace and guidance. It's a place where the spiritual and the earthly realms meet, offering solace to all who enter. Take a moment to soak in the serene atmosphere, admire the intricate details of the architecture, and perhaps even try your luck at shaking a fortune stick. This ancient practice involves shaking a bamboo container filled with numbered sticks until one falls out, revealing a fortune that offers insight and guidance. Whether you're a spiritual seeker or simply appreciate stunning architecture, the Chinese temple is a must-visit in Baguio. Its serene environment, rich history, and beautiful design make it a unique destination that leaves a lasting impression. So, take your time to explore, reflect, and let the spirit soar at the Chinese temple. Next up, we're trading the scent of incense for the sweet aroma of ripe strawberries. Just a short drive from the city center lie the famed strawberry fields of La Trinidad Valley. Picture this: rolling hills carpeted in vibrant green, dotted with thousands of bright red strawberries just begging to be picked. Here you can indulge your inner child and pick your own juicy strawberries straight from the source. Trust me, nothing beats the taste of a freshly picked strawberry, still warm from the sun. And while you're at it, don't forget to try the local strawberry taho, a sweet and refreshing Filipino dessert that'll tantalize your taste buds. From the strawberry fields, we're heading back to the city for a taste of modern life, Baguio style. City Baguio is not your average shopping mall. This architectural marvel seamlessly blends into the natural landscape with its terraced gardens, open-air corridors, and breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. Inside, you'll find a shopper's paradise, with everything from high-end boutiques to local craft shops. Satisfy your inner foodie at the International Food Court, catch a movie at the cinema, or simply soak in the vibrant atmosphere. City Baguio is the perfect example of how modernity and nature can coexist in perfect harmony. Ready for some adrenaline-pumping fun? Then hold on tight because we're heading to the amusement park. Whether you're a thrill seeker or prefer a more laid-back experience, there's something for everyone here. Scream your lungs out on the roller coaster, take a spin on the Ferris wheel for panoramic views of the city, or try your luck at the carnival games. The amusement park is a whirlwind of laughter, excitement, and pure joy, guaranteed to bring out the child in everyone. Market Mania, a sensory overload. Get ready to dive into the heart and soul of Baguio, its bustling markets. From the vibrant colors of fresh produce to the aroma of street food sizzling on grills, the markets are a feast for the senses. Wander through the maze-like alleyways of the public market, where you can haggle for everything from hand-woven textiles and intricate wood carvings to fresh fruits and vegetables. Don't be afraid to try some exotic fruits you've never seen before. You might just discover your new favorite. When the sun goes down, the night market heats up. As the sun begins its descent, a different kind of magic takes over Baguio. The night market comes alive, transforming the city center into a kaleidoscope of sights, sounds, and smells. Stalls overflow with an eclectic mix of goods, from trendy clothing and accessories to quirky souvenirs. But the real star of the show is the food. Indulge in a smorgasbord of local delicacies, sizzling iso, grilled chicken intestines, savory kwek-kwek, deep-fried quail eggs, and steaming hot bulalo beef bone marrow soup are just a few of the treats that await. Beyond the city limits, unveiling Northern Luzon's gems. Northern Luzon is a treasure trove of natural beauty and cultural heritage, waiting to be discovered by intrepid travelers. While Baguio City is a destination in itself, no trip to Northern Luzon is complete without venturing beyond the city limits. Known as the summer capital of the Philippines, Baguio offers a cool respite from the tropical heat with its pine-clad hills and vibrant local markets. But there's so much more to explore beyond its borders. The Cordillera region is home to some of the most breathtaking natural wonders in the Philippines. This mountainous area is a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. From its lush forests to its towering peaks, the Cordillera region offers a diverse range of landscapes that are sure to captivate your senses. Trek through the centuries-old Banawe rice terraces, often called the eighth wonder of the world. These terraces are not only a stunning sight to behold, but also a remarkable feat of engineering. Carved into the mountainside over 2,000 years ago, they continue to be used for rice cultivation to this day. These majestic rice terraces, carved into the mountainside over 2,000 years ago, are a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of the Ifugao people. The terraces are a living cultural landscape where traditional farming methods are still practiced and the community's way of life is deeply intertwined with the land. Explore the Sagada Caves, a network of ancient burial caves with hanging coffins. These caves offer a glimpse into the unique burial practices of the indigenous people of Sagada. The hanging coffins suspended high on the cave walls are a fascinating and eerie sight, reflecting the community's deep respect for their ancestors. Visit the charming town of Vigan, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its well-preserved Spanish colonial architecture. Stroll through its cobblestone streets, lined with ancestral houses and historical landmarks. Vigan's rich history and cultural heritage make it a must-visit destination for anyone interested in the Philippines' colonial past. The possibilities for adventure are endless. Whether you're hiking through the mountains, exploring ancient caves, or immersing yourself in the local culture, Northern Luzon offers a wealth of experiences that will leave you with lasting memories, so pack your bags and get ready to uncover the hidden gems of this incredible region. The mountain air awaits, your Baguio adventure begins. So there you have it, folks. From the spiritual serenity of the Chinese temple to the sweet delights of the strawberry fields, the modern comforts of City Baguio, and the thrill of the amusement park, Baguio offers a unique blend of experiences that will captivate your senses and leave you wanting more. Pack your bags, book your tickets, and get ready to experience the magic of Baguio and Northern Luzon for yourself. The mountain air awaits. Thank you for watching our video on exploring Baguio, the ultimate Northern Luzon adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Scrap Dog Media. Your subscription is crucial for a new channel like ours to grow and continue bringing you amazing content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for your support. Stay tuned for more exciting journeys and hidden gems from around the world. Until next time, keep exploring and keep dreaming. Safe travels, adventurers!